Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to show you a real rare car. This is a 1963 Pontiac Grand Prix. Now, this car has a 421 high output engine in it with a 4-speed manual transmission. It is a numbers matching car. This car has just over 45,000 original miles on it. This is a really, really rare car. A factory 4-speed 421HO is almost unheard of to find. This is a factory 8-lug car. As you can see, it's got the white wall tires on it. This is a factory hood pin car too. I know a lot of people wouldn't think of a 63 Grand Prix being a muscle car, but this was the first of the muscle cars, the first of the era for these cars. It's, like I say, factory numbers matching. This car was restored, had a cosmetic restoration. It was done years ago. It's still lacquer paint. This car shows amazing. It was put together and restored with perfection. It has it's factory bucket seats, has a factory center console, hood and trunk lights. It's got the trunk cardboard, the spare tire. It's got a vacuum operated trunk release. It has been it's been a top-notch restoration on this car. It's a piece of Pontiac history is what it is. Dark blue interior, power windows, even has power wing windows. Beautiful blue interior, as I mentioned, bucket seats in the factory console. Beautiful dashboard in these cars, original steering wheel. The visors, the headliner, the dome lights all work, the sail panels, package tray, rear seat, all in very, very nice shape on this car. Even got a fold down center armrest in the rear. The door jambs are all very, very nice. Factory radio. It even has the optional reverberator in the trunk. Tilt steering column. New exhaust system with thrush mufflers. Stainless steel brake and gas lines. Also has the it is a 421, so it's a high output, so it is a tri-power car. So 421, high output, tri-power, 4-speed, 8-lug, factory hood pin. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Also has new dash wiring harness and fuse box, rare factory tachometer. This is a real, I'm reading this on the paper here that the gentleman gave me, is a real 421 Grand Prix tri-power with a coated manual 4-speed transmission. The transmission is stamped Chevrolet with original VIN numbers. The original sticker on the back window reads, member of the Pontiac Racing Division. The motor was built to 525 horse, was balanced and blueprinted. It has around 1,600 miles on it. Rear axle 39 code, approved the car shows the car's rarity. Dual horn air cleaner, windshield washer motor, sending unit, antenna, clock, 2 window motors were sent in and also rebuilt. The original starter was sent out, the original alternator was sent out. So this, like I said, this car had a top-notch restoration, and it shows. The paint is absolutely gorgeous on the car. It's got one little spot right here on the trunk that I never even tried to buff off. I think it probably will. I never even run the polisher on this car. This is just, I brought this car in and we ran it through the detail. We ran it through service, we ran it through the detail shop, and it cleaned up this nice in about an hour. So just an absolute beautiful car. The interior, as far as I know, is all original. Got one little piece of weather stripping here that I need to glue back. Just pop down on me. That's what you'll like here about Kinion Classics. We show you exactly what these cars are. And I'm telling you what, this is an absolute collector's dream to put this car in his collection. When's the last time you have seen one of these cars? A 421 tri-power, high output, 4-speed car. Show you the under the hood here. There's the underneath the hood. Gorgeously done. It's got like the factory exhaust manifold headers on it, they call them. You can look up and down both sides of the car. You can see how straight it is. The chrome bumpers are in very, very nice shape. The stainless trim and bright work as well, in beautiful shape. There's that, remember, Pontiac Racing Division. You can see how nice the stainless trim is around the windows. All the glass is very, very nice. I'll come over here, we'll start it up. I do take a little bit longer, you know, my video is a little bit longer on these cars that need a little bit more explanation. Dash lights. Remote mirror that down there below the dash. 80 pounds of oil pressure. Trying to figure out where that I think that's the trunk release. I'm gonna shut it off here. I don't know. I want to be able to drive it, and the gas gauge is getting close to E, so I don't want to run it out of gas and not be able to take it for a test drive. I think that is the vacuum operated trunk switch, but I don't know if I pulled it enough. I'll open the trunk up with the key and show you the inside of the trunk. There we go. The original fender skirts are in there as well. Shop manual in there. This car was as I recall, the gentleman told me this car was he was the third owner of this car. There's the reverberator. He was the third owner of this car. So it had long time ownership, The original owners, I think I still have the picture when they bought this car back in '63. They bought it, I'm pretty sure the picture was, they bought it on their wedding day in 1963. So it's kind of a neat story, neat deal. Put the hood pins in here. I don't know that I've ever seen an old Pontiac like this with factory hood pins. This car is probably rarer than what any of us know. And maybe some of you Pontiac buffs can even fill me in on a little more details about this car. But when the gentleman built the engine, he said it's built to 525 horsepower, and I mean it sounds really good. Pretty impressive for a tri-power car like that to just start up and run so good. So shifts through all 4 gears just perfectly. Oil pressure's great. Charging, the tach works. That speedometer's like right on. What a pleasure to drive. Holy cow, this is a great car. This thing's got some power too, everyone. It rained here overnight, so the road's got a little bit of moisture on them. So I don't think I'll go burning the tires on it. But I drove this car when I first got it, and it will get right down with the program, so no questions about that. No doubt, this thing is a super cool car. I don't want to pull in here too far. It's got some, you can see there's standing water in the puddles there, but I will get out and walk around this car with you quick. Listen to that thing. See how nice the paint body is. Uh-oh. I hope it didn't run out of gas. It might have. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call on this gorgeous 1963 Pontiac Grand Prix 421 tri-power 4-speed high output car. Really appreciate you watching my videos. And I got to see if this thing will start or I'm going to walk. So, because the gas gauge was definitely on E. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everyone.